What's up guys, Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic. If you're looking for the ystrap doctor in the Chicagoland area with great hands-on chiropractic adjusting, you've come to the right place. We would really love to be able to help you next. But right now, we got another one. Let's go. What's up guys, Dr. Joel Lardi here at Lardi Complete Chiropractic. We have another one today. Yeah, it's just my wife though, it's just my wife.
Just his wife.
Just my wife. She needs a little tune-up, a little Christmas adjustment for her, so a little extra gift for her this year.
Oh, thanks.
Alright, so we're going to start with heat like we usually do. She's going to get the full Lardi Complete experience. So we'll put you down, we can start with heat so we can loosen those muscles up.
Cool.
And Emmy's here too. So how are we feeling?
Good, just some low back tension.
Okay. Hip area or more like lumbar?
More lumbar, and then shoulders are always tense.
Okay. Cool, babe. Lift your chin up a little bit. Lift your chin. Good. Can you flip your hair this way? There you go. That's good. So I don't pull on it. Okay, go ahead and lift your chin up. Good. Other way. Same thing. Good.
Oh, that side was way tighter.
Yeah, that was crazy. Alright, go ahead and flip you over on your back. How's headaches been and stuff?
No headaches lately.
Good.
So.
It's been what? How long since your last adjustment?
Probably like 3 weeks.
That one? Okay. The holiday hustle.
Yeah.
Hi, Boba. Yeah? Are you next? Are you next? Yeah? Okay. A little bit that way,
Yeah,
right rotation.
I can definitely tell when you rotate.
Let it relax. Good.
Whew. My neck always blows up.
Mm-hmm. Nice. Alright, good. Let's go over, do your low back over there.
Yeah. Have to do my own setup.
You know what you're doing. You could do this by now, right?
Yeah.
I'll flip you the other way. This is always your worst one, this right PI.
Yeah, usually just you getting into position. It's tight.
Let this fall.
There we go.
Actually, I want it really easy.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, let's do, I'm gonna check your ankles and feet and hips too. So go ahead and go face up on this one. What are you laughing at?
That's funny.
What are you laughing at? Let it relax all the way up into the hip. Good. Same thing. Good. Good. These actually don't feel bad.
No.
That one went just turning it.
It's my favorite though.
Yeah, these weren't bad at all this time. Good. Alright. Alright, we're going to do a Y-strap adjustment for her too today.
Do I need earrings off?
Take the lower one, though, yeah. Those off just in case. I usually check before. Make sure they're not hidden. Lift your head up. Hold on, up. I gotta get your hair out of there. Alright, down. Okay. Yeah, see, the earrings wouldn't have mattered anyway. Alright. Take a nice breath in. Out. In. Out.
Ooh, I think that was my loudest one. It's crazy because you think it's like all done and then it cracks like so much more.
Good job, man. How was that?
Really good. That's the most I felt it go from like my neck all the way down.
Yeah.
Like sometimes I only feel it more upper.
Yeah.
And it went like all the way.
Good. Alright.
That was a really good one.
Hey guys, if you liked this video, go ahead and smash that like button for us, okay? And if you want to keep up with all the content we're putting out, we're putting out 1 to 2 videos a week showing what the Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience is like. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button as well, okay? You'll be able to see how we use the Y-strap and good hands-on chiropractic care to get you to where you need to be, okay? Find you relief with that Lardi Complete Chiropractic experience.